Hi, today we see together how to create a new offer with Archimede. Here there is a list of a customer with all information about them. Besides, each of them is connected with a profile where it is possible to store many useful information. For example, discount on wood or glass, payment mode, list price, and so on. Then we don't need to take care about all this incredible amount of information because Archimede will do it for you. Then we can create a new offer. One of the most important goals of Archimede is to be easy, user-friendly, and show a lot of images for being more clear. On the left side there is a sequence of operations, so everybody desire make an offer have just to follow it exactly like a guide. Here I put the normal information, description, agent, currency. Then we have a possibility to add additional information as for example a date, our address for delivery and so on. And now we are ready for select default value for all next project that I will put in this offer. Then I can define the commercial model, in this case economy or deluxe, but in your case you are able to define more and more models connected with your product. Maybe it will depend from the kind of wood or thickness or profile. After this choice, Archimede will fill automatically timber, the treatment, color, glass. How can Archimede already know right wood, glass to use for economy model? Because in Archimede you can define relation and combination between model, wood, glass and so on. In this way everybody will be able to make an offer without fear to make a stupid mistake. For example, if the economy model is not possible, use the oak when you will open list of available wood. You will not find the oak. Who will insert these rules in Archimede and when? Archimede is open. Then you can design these rules to achieve a right shape that describes your production. Normally, you insert this rule just one time after installation. Then you can also forget about it. Finally, you can give to everybody in your company the possibility to make an offer because every single step is driven in a perfect way. Well, now we can load from a library a first project to put in the offer. We can select between all economy projects available. Then we can change the width, the height, the quantity, maybe a kind of opening. Then Archimede starts to calculate all part of this new project, hardware, glasses, time and accessories. Some accessories can be completely hide and automatic. For example, accessory gum for isolation can be selected automatically and with the right rules. It could be also calculated depending from project thickness. If a 58mm thickness, what gum is enough? With 68mm, two are necessary. And Archimede will count total linear meter of gum that are necessary. At the same time, some other accessory must be selected manually, and with Archimede is possible as well. Now the first project is already inside the offer, so we are able to take a look about all its value, all the accessories that are connected with this project, a possibility as well to insert, to modify, to add additional accessories, and at the same time take a look about the cost or about the price. And the same things, it will be available for the hardware. So here I will have the list of my elements that are automatically calculated from Archimede. Well, you understood that Archimede already calculates for you every single material that is necessary for your windows. Then now you have a possibility, for example, to change the timber, the glass, all the things that at the beginning was default value, now you can change. At the same time, you can change the list price, only for this project. You can see the varnishing that it will be necessary, and here you can see not only the several steps of the varnishing, but also for each of them the method of calculation and liter or kilograms that it will be necessary. Of course, also all the CE rules it will be calculated, so thermal transmittance, solar factor, wind permeability, everything it will be calculated automatically from Archimede and connected with this project in your offer. And at the end, we will be able to take a look about the cost that it will be divided on every single part of your project, the timber, the glass, the treatment, the time of the man and the time of the machine, the aluminium, hardware and so on. Then we will have the final price that we are able to compare with the cost. Of course, Archimede connected with the profile of this customer already know what is the increasement or the discount that he have to do on every single part of this project, wood, glass, treatment and so on. But if you want, you are able here to change it. And now we have a possibility to insert an additional project. We don't need to start every time from a new project. The daily work it will be load from a library that I already have and change only what I have to change. But Archimede won't give you more. Won't give you more, it means that it will be able to calculate every single time connected with your production. And not only windows by windows, but also every single structure inside your window. So you will be able to know the time that is necessary for CNC machining of your frame, of your left sash, of your right sash, for to be extremely precise and analytic, and the same for all the other stages. And for close the offer, we will be able to insert additional accessories like for example the transport, or like for example the fixing of your windows or your doors. And after that we will go to the summarize. Here you have the total amount of your offer, where you are still able to make an increasement, a discount 1, discount 2, or make some change in your accessories. And after that, everything it will be ready for make the final offer. Here there is a possibility to load some specific text for the header or for the footer of your offer. And at the end, select between the list of your printout the print that you want to use with this specific customer. Of course, this is just a template where you can see the information about the offer, information about the customer, a picture, description, quantity, square meter, price, information about European community rules and so on. But as you know very well, all the printouts available in Archimede are free and open. So you can change, you can modify, you can copy, you can make exactly what you want in a completely independent way. This is your daily work for create a new offer with Archimede. But imagine now that this offer is accepted from your customer. What is the next step? Easy, transfer this offer in order. and put it on your production plan. Now Archimede already calculates everything for produce and deliver the order. Of course, with Archimede you can also create and manage invoice, delivery note, and your purchase order.